built this for those who carry the spark. The spark of ingenuity, the spark of potential, the spark that moves humanity forward. It's a shared trait among innovators, problem solvers, those that truly shine when things go sideways, improvising in any environment with whatever is at hand to keep the adventure going. It's trailblazers like them, like you, who inspire our inventions. For all who carry the Spark, we've designed a new tool in our everyday carry collection, the Spark Necklace, the next generation in functional fashion. It's TSA friendly and made to insanely high standards with a series of innovations in reliability, feature set, and aesthetic sensibilities. We were the first of the punch back in 2013 when we created the original Firestarter necklace. Now, after years of customer feedback, field testing in challenging environments, and a few beers, we've applied our unique expertise to developing a fresh piece of gear you can bet your wazoo on. Some people told us, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. To that we said,
Nope.
It's made with 25% thicker ceramic than the original design. It's longer to provide more ergonomic ease. And a new adjustable quick-release clasp allows you to customize the length and easily replace the ferro rod. And the ceramic itself, it's zirconia. It's 10 times harder than steel, and it'll never rust or dull. And it's a close relative of cubic zirconia, aka industrial-grade diamonds. We rigorously test and retest everything we make. We try to think of everything. Make sure you have what you need when you need it. Because you're a problem solver, a MacGyver. And that's why we've brought you hats and belts with hidden pockets, toolkits that can be stashed inside, and multifunctional bandanas. There's no way to know what lies ahead, but wherever the adventure takes you, you know you'll be ready, because you carry the spark.